Welcome back to AI Simplified. Today I'm showing you AI tools that feel illegal to know, but they're not. They're powerful, underrated, and if you use them right, you'll have an unfair advantage in 2025. Let's get started. This one is insane. Devin is the world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer. You can give it a task like, build me a website, create a full app, or fix this code, and Devin will actually complete the entire workflow on its own. It writes code, debugs, tests, and even deploys. This tool makes programming 10 times faster, even if you have zero experience. It feels illegal, because it replaces entire teams. Next is Pimeyes, and honestly, this one really feels like a crime. You upload a face, any face, and it finds every online photo of that person across the internet. It uses advanced face recognition that rivals police tech. It's scary, powerful, and should be used very responsibly. But for verifying identity, tracking impersonation, or protecting your own photos, it's unmatched. Luma AI lets you scan anything in the real world using your phone and turn it into a 3D model in minutes. This used to require expensive equipment and thousands of dollars. Now, a simple phone scan. Creators use Luma for animation, 3D assets, product demos, and hyper-realistic scenes. It looks illegal because the quality is ridiculously high, but it's completely free to start. Midjourney is on another level. It creates images so real that companies, influencers, and brands are using them as ads, product shots, and full campaigns, without ever touching a camera. You can generate portraits, models, cars, locations, fantasy scenes, anything. People use it for marketing, social media, book covers, posters, and even thumbnails. This is the tool that feels like cheating, because the results look like a full design agency created them. OpusClip is wild. You upload a long video, and it automatically finds the best moments, creates shorts, adds captions, highlights the important words, and formats everything in the perfect viral style. This used to take editors hours. Now it takes seconds. And yes, it finds viral moments better than most humans. ElevenLabs doesn't just create voices, it copies yours, almost perfectly. You can clone your voice, make it read scripts, create different emotions, different accents, and even generate full narrations. It's powerful, slightly scary, and definitely feels illegal. But it's one of the most advanced voice tools in the world. Runway Gen-3 feels fake, because it looks too good to be real. You type a prompt like, a robot walking through Tokyo, and Gen-3 generates a cinematic, movie-quality clip. Hollywood studios are experimenting with this right now. Creators are using Runway for trailers, ads, music videos, and full short films. This tool will completely transform video production in 2025. Suno lets you create full songs in any style. Vocals, lyrics, instruments, the whole thing. You can make a rap song, a pop track, an R&B vibe, anything. It creates commercial-ready music in seconds. This used to take entire studios. Now anyone can do it. It feels illegal, because it's that good. Blackbox AI is like having a genius programmer sitting behind you. It auto-completes code, fixes bugs, explains functions, and helps you build apps faster than ever. If you want to speed up your workflow or learn coding the easy way, this tool is a cheat code. Pika Labs lets you animate anything. You upload a photo and it can make it talk, move, walk, or transform into an entire animated scene. Creators use Pika for music videos, ad campaigns, shorts, and even full animated stories. It feels like Disney-level tools, but for everyone. These AI tools are unbelievably powerful, and yes, they feel illegal, but they're real, they're public, and they can give you a massive advantage in 2025. If you want more AI tools, tutorials, and content like this, make sure to subscribe to AI Simplified. We're just getting started.